Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken piccata.
Chicken piccata is lightly coated chicken breast and a lemon butter caper sauce. This was one of the first dishes that I've ever made and I remember being so proud of it. It's tender chicken and a sauce that's so bright and flavorful, it can easily be a favorite. So let's get started.
Today I'm using 1 3/4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, sliced in half and pounded thin. Season the chicken well with salt and pepper. So chicken piccata was one of the first dishes that I ever made, and I remember being inspired to make it when I saw it on the cover of a magazine called Cuisine at Home. And there were actually a lot of good recipes in it, so I ended up subscribing, and I would always look forward to my monthly issue. To me, it was just so exciting, and it was like getting a gift every month in the mail. Dredge each piece of chicken in about a half cup of flour. The flour will provide a nice coating for the sauce to adhere to. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook chicken. Cook the chicken until cooked through. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. Flip chicken over and cook the other side. Both of my parents were actually really good cooks, and they did cook a lot and had their weekly rotations, but I, on the other hand, was always trying to look for new and exciting recipes. Remove chicken, set aside, and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once butter has melted, add 4 minced garlic cloves. Cook garlic for about 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of capers. Season with salt and pepper. Stir and bring to a boil and let simmer until sauce has slightly reduced, about 2 minutes. What I love about this dish is that sometimes chicken breast can be kind of boring and bland, but this sauce makes it so flavorful with the lemon and the capers and the garlic. I think when I made this dish, it was the first time I ever tried capers. They have kind of a tangy, salty flavor, which makes the sauce so delicious. Return the chicken back to the pan and add 3 tablespoons of butter. Stir and remove from heat once the butter has melted. Make sure to spoon some of that delicious sauce over the chicken. This is just one of those great meals that everybody loves. I mean, you can't go wrong with lemon and butter, right? You could also serve this with some potatoes, rice, or pasta, and a side of veggies. I can't wait to try this. The chicken is tender in that buttery, savory, tangy, garlicky sauce.
If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to check out all my other recipes on chicken. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.